Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian and this is Smoking Hot. If you like good food, you love to cook, you want to have fun doing it, maybe enjoy a beverage of choice, you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, don't miss a thing. We just finished having an epic culinary adventure. So we had everything about barbecue ribs and smoking them, and oh, it was so good. Let me tell you about it really quick. Okay, so we had Caribbean jerk, homemade Caribbean jerk. I'll leave recipes down below for you. My Uncle Don's barbecue sauce. I did a taste test. You gotta see the taste test. It was down below. We also had Texas barbecue sauce, Korean barbecue sauce, and then I did a dry rub so we can compare and contrast all of those different flavor. Oh, it was so good. It was so good. We had a lot of fun. And here's some highlights. So I got some friends that came over. They did some judging, and you're going to be sitting in on some of that, along with some highlights on some of them came on and gave their personal opinion. And then I wrote down some of their notes down below so you can have it and see what you're expecting if you want to make those recipes. Okay, so come join us. Let's have a great time. Wasn't that fun? I thought that was fun. I had a good time. We had a great time. I want you to come have a good time with us. So here's some of their highlights and what they said, and then I'm gonna be wrapping this up because I want you to come join us next time.
They were all outstanding ribs. I love them all.
I go for Korean. It was a tie between Korean barbecue and Uncle Don's.
I understand. All right, so what was your favorite and why?
You know, Brian, I'm going to be honest with you. I like the Texas because I thoroughly enjoyed the texture. I mean, it wasn't dropping off the rib like, one of the other ones. I felt like I had to earn it, and it was a good flavor. It did have a little bit of ketchup feel to it, but then again, I like fucking meatballs. So let's do this thing. Walk off.
Why are you still wearing a glove?
Oh, because I'm not done eating.